Precise navigation. Lidar sensors create accurate room maps for the JetBot Plus to navigate, so no worrying about your robotic vacuum going to places it shouldn't. Mapping can also be controlled via the Samsung SmartThings app. Intelligent power control. JetBot Plus identifies the surface type and amount of dust and automatically adjusts suction so you get a thorough clean no matter the floor type. Automatic emptying with cleanstation. A convenient, no-touch, hygienic way to empty your robot vacuum's dustbin. Cleanstation removes dust using air pulse technology. Cleaner air. Advanced 5-layer HEPA filtration system traps up to 99.99% of dust. Choose where you clean. Select where JetBot should or should not clean by choosing specific areas of your home to clean with Select Go. Clean any surface. Cleans carpets and hard floors effectively. The high-efficiency brush roll has fine, anti-static fibers, and self-cleaning extractors grind up hairs to avoid tangles around the brush. Real-time tracking. Check status in real time using the SmartThings app and see where it has cleaned, instruct it to pause or stop, and view its history. Voice recognition. Easily clean your household with voice recognition technology. Compatible with Bixby, Google Assistant and Alexa. Top reviews from the United States. Best purchase ever. It's not perfect but works amazing because kids suck and don't clean as good. I have it clean at 9 a.m., 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. They don't make the dustbin bags anymore, but I just clean it out and reuse the two it comes with. I would purchase this years ago if it wasn't for the cost, but it's well worth it.